Hello everyone and welcome to this short and sweet technical analysis update. My name is Victor and I'm a coach here at Chart Champions. And today is a special day because not only do I get to bring you a short and sweet update, I can also make a very special announcement at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned until the end to see what that is. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right then, let's get going. So, first thing you might ask yourself is, Victor, what is wrong with your chart? There's nothing on it. There's no lines, there's no drawings. How are you supposed to know what's going to happen next? How can you make your analysis like this? And my recommendation to you is to actually start your daily routine just like this, with a blank chart. There is a ton of information in this chart, and you only have to train your eye to actually see it. Most important of all is already market structure. And I love to start my daily routine on a high time frame, in this case, the weekly time frame, just to zoom out and make sure that I am not stuck in a very low time frame or mid time frame bias, and have a very clear picture of what's been happening, not just today, but this week, last week, and the past few months as well. This can already be very helpful to find out, okay, how have we gotten to this price level? Where might we go next? What's in store for us? And what is the mood of today's trading action? So that's how I always start my charts. And I also do an update every Friday morning where I go into detail about my analysis and how I view the markets. And also always start like this. So just for the sake of time, I've already prepared a few levels for you, which I can now turn on. First, I'm going to throw on some weekly levels, just as a reference to kind of establish, okay, where are we and what has just happened the past couple of days. And we can already see that we have rejected off of this weekly level up here. That's a pretty strong horizontal level. And also that there is an untapped weekly level down here at around 37.7. That has not been visited yet ever since it was created. Why is that important? Well, if we were to retrace down to this level, maybe we could find a possible reaction there. That's why you need to be aware of these levels. They're very, very important. Then we can chuck on some daily levels as well to put in some more precision into the analysis. As you can see, I'm just going to turn off the weekly levels for a second so the chart stays nice and clean, and also switch the daily time frame so we can have a bit more detail, locally speaking. We can already see that we rejected off of this old daily level here from January. Look at how long that took. We made our way from the 37, 38K area all the way up to this daily level here, and did not manage to close a single daily candle above it. Yeah. And that's a pretty big deal. That's basically saying that there is not enough firepower to get us through this level, to claim it, to close daily candles above it, and move on to the next levels. So we struggled for a few days and ended up rejecting. And now here we are back down at 43,000. So what's next? Well, just like we did with the weekly levels before, here's a daily level that is untapped and might provide a reaction if visited, and another daily level that can also provide such a reaction down here. And now you might be wondering, wait a minute, the title of this video said something about a massive pattern that Bitcoin is following. What is this guy talking about? Well, let me show you. It's called a harmonic pattern. And if you have been following our videos, I'm sure you've seen this one before already. This is a Gartley harmonic, not garlic. It's not garlic bread. It's a Gartley harmonic pattern. And basically these harmonic patterns are just a sequence of Fibonacci levels. 618 to 618 to 786 would be the perfect Gartley. And here we have a very nice example of impulses. In this case, X to A would be the first one, that have retraced to very technical Fibonacci levels and have given us very nice pivots, culminating in this D pivot. So to make it simple, what does this mean? This is a bearish Gartley pattern. In other words, if the D pivot happens at the right time and at the right level of confluence, of resistance, then you have a pretty good chance to enter a possible short position from D and then target the two primary targets that the Gartley harmonic offers you. So then it gets juicy. What targets are you looking at? All right, I'll give you one of them. How about this? Very simple. Fibonacci retracement here on TradingView, very easy to do. Just from the low to the high, there's your 618 and 66 or the champions channel. And of course, also one of my favorites, the 786. And you can already see that this region is not only a very nice Fibonacci area, but it has already been a very important support area in the past. Is it going to hold? Is it not going to hold? Are we going to get there? Are we not going to get there? Well, we shall see. But the important thing is that we're already prepared for this. Yeah. Now, please notice that I am keeping my chart very clean on purpose, and I only turn on things as I need them. Yeah. So this top level, we've rejected from it. I don't really need to have it active. This is an untapped daily level. That's another untapped daily level right in the middle of that CC. That's confluence for you. And these are the levels that, for example, I would leave on and see, okay, what happens when we get there? What kind of reaction do we have? What does the order flow tell me? What does the volume do? So these are the things that we teach you here at Chart Champions. If all of this sounded a bit confusing, maybe a bit too complicated for you, don't worry about it. It was exactly the same for me the first time I started looking at this stuff. And through the years, I've been able to work myself through it and implement it into my own trading system. And that's the point here. We're trying to give you the tools so that you can develop your own personalized trading system to become a consistent, profitable trader. Yeah, we're not going to tell you what to do, buy here, sell there. That's not what we're all about. There's no signals here, but we can prepare you to generate your own signal, so to speak. In other words, make your own decisions based on your own analysis. Yeah, that's the name of the game. All right. And now I can finally make that special announcement. Are you ready? Here we go. All right. How did you like that one? Looks pretty cool, huh? Well, that's our new feature. It's going to be a skill sharpener for you so that you get to work with a blank chart, build up your own technical analysis, see which direction you think the next move might come, which levels are important, which confluences are the most important. And then you get feedback from one of us coaches to see if everything lines up with your analysis. So it's a great learning feature, which we can also develop over time and customize it to basically your needs. So we're very excited about this. This is being released today. And Mike has made another video about it, explaining a little bit about how it works as well. So make sure to check that out as well. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for your time. It was a pleasure to make this short and sweet update for you. And if you are hungry for more, just head on over to chartchampions.com and have a look. And perhaps I will see you tomorrow on the Friday morning update. Take care. Bye-bye.